Today we will be making a paper airplane. All you need is scissors and a piece of paper. We'll start by folding the corner down to around here, so there's a nice corner up here. You want to do that the other side now, so there's an X. Now you should have a nice X. You want to fold it in. Make sure the tip's pointy. Should have something like that. Make a nice crease. Okay? Now what you want to do is fold these corners up to the tip. Do that for both. Okay, fold it in half again. Now you want to fold this up to the little edge paper. Fold this in half. It's pretty thick, but if you press down it'll get thinner. Now this extra piece of paper here, you want to cut that off. This is going to be used as the tail. Now you should have this and this. You want to take this and fold this in half. You want to open this up a bit, place it in there, push down a bit, fold it in half, cut it off. So it's a nice short tail. Now you want to fold the wings down a bit so it glides a little easier. Okay, like that. Now you have your paper airplane.